There are many wood chipper products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wood chippers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. 15 amp electric wood chipper. Rating 4.4. The Felix Pro Garden wood chipper effortlessly shreds branches up to 1.77 inches in diameter. Equipped with a spacious 10+ gallon collection bin, it efficiently handles large volumes of yard waste for seamless cleanup. Powered by a robust 15 amp motor delivering industrial-grade performance, it effortlessly tackles the toughest yard waste disposal tasks. Integrated safety switch and blade guard ensure user protection throughout operation, making it a reliable choice for professionals and home users alike. Transforms bulky garden debris into nutrient-rich mulch at a 21:1 conversion rate, optimizing garden ecosystems while minimizing waste. Flexible rear wheels and a convenient feed chute ensure effortless operation, while minimal maintenance requirements deliver a worry-free experience. Number 4. PRYMA Electric Wood Chipper. Rating 4.4. 15 amp powerful electric motor. Shreds sticks and branches up to 1.7 inches in diameter with 3,700 revolutions per minute blade speed. Reduce 8 bags into 1. No more dragging dozens of bags to the curb. Effortless transportation. Rear wheels for easy transport around the yard. It is easy for users to bring the chipper/shredder near yard debris to be processed and bagged. 12-gallon collection bag and push paddle. Easily collect compost with a yard collection bag. Store compost to sprinkle in your garden to provide nourishment for your flowers and plants. Cutting blades. Equipped with 2 extra durable steel blades for replacing, crush the leaves and small branches into a powder. Easy to use. Chute design keeps your hands free and safe from the corded wood chipper. Overload protection can extend the service life of the machine. Number 3. Diameter Electric Wood Chipper. Rating 4.5. This electric wood chipper features a 21:1 reduction ratio and an anti-jamming design to ensure a smooth flow of shredded material from the discharge chute. This wood chipper, powered by a robust 15 amp motor with a maximum speed of 4,000 revolutions per minute, features SK5 high-hardness rust-resistant dual-edge blades, ensuring it effectively shreds sticks and branches up to 1.8 inch in diameter. This wood chipper is designed for yard work and is more budget-friendly than traditional gas-powered models. It features IPX4 waterproofing and a dent-resistant polypropylene housing, ensuring reliability and durability, ideal for all your gardening needs. Key replacement parts for wear and tear are available at the YRYORK Amazon store. Once received, you can easily replace them following the user manual while the machine is powered off, ensuring your work schedule isn't delayed. This wood chipper features a lightweight, easy-to-assemble design with dual feed chutes for effortless wood loading. It also comes with 7-inch wheels for easy mobility and chipper storage. Number 2. Saker Electric Wood Chipper. Rating 4.5. This 15 amp Saker Electric wood chipper effortlessly shreds branches and sticks up to 1.75 inches thick. The 3,700 revolutions per minute blade ensures fast, clean cuts, ideal for garden and yard waste. Transform 8 bags of debris into 1 bag of nutrient-rich mulch using this wood chipper shredder. Perfect for reducing yard clutter and creating compost for sustainable gardening. Durable steel blade system maximizes chipping efficiency and helps reduce large debris into fine mulch. Perfect for gardens, composting, and eco-friendly cleanup. Comes with a 12-gallon collection bag, push paddle, and tool for blade replacement. Everything you need to get started with your wood chipper in one convenient package. This portable chipper shredder features built-in 7-inch wheels and a sturdy, compact frame. Easily move around your yard or driveway without strain. Number 1. eWork Electric Wood Chipper. Rating 4.7. Specifically engineered to tackle storm-damaged branches and ice-snapped limbs found in U.S. backyards. Instead of waiting for expensive municipal pickup, instantly turn mountains of wet, frozen debris into nutrient-rich mulch. A must-have emergency tool to restore your lawn's appearance after severe weather, saving you hundreds in professional removal fees. Engineered with high-strength SK5 dual-edge blades, this electric chipper effortlessly shreds fresh branches and dry sticks up to 1.77 inches, 45 millimeters in diameter. The aggressive 15-to-1 reduction ratio compresses voluminous yard waste into fine mulch, reducing 15 bags of debris into just 1 bag for easy disposal or soil fertilization. Equipped with an intelligent overload protection system and a safety locking knob on the hopper, the motor automatically disengages if the hopper is opened or if oversized logs are detected, protecting the core components from damage. A simple reset button gets you back to shredding in seconds, ensuring both user safety and machine longevity. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.